Lagos State government has launched a 24/7 helpline to rapidly respond to survivors of sexual and gender-based violence. The project was made in partnership with the European Union-funded Spotlight Initiative, the Women's Helping Hands Initiative of the wife of Nigerian Vice President, and with technical support from the United Nations Population Fund.
The Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Response Team says the referral system became necessary due to the 35% surge in reported cases of gender-based violence during the 2020 lockdown imposed by the COVID-19 pandemic. The virtual system will provide uninterrupted access to trained service providers by providing a 24/7 wide range of help through a toll-free helpline 0800 333 with the social media hashtag safety in a number.
Even if her screams are not heard, if her tears are silent and she's behind closed doors, we must hear her, we must rescue her, we must help her, we must uphold her and restore her. We must do so now. I'm eager to advocate for effective help for victims and sufferers as it's being orchestrated here today at this GBV Virtual Referral Response Service.
This is people, living people, real people that we know and love, who are in despair and who's going to need support. What was very good in Lagos State was, though, that there was a preparedness to establish a response. That's why we are here today. And it was necessary because within 1 month of the pandemic, we had a rise in Lagos State alone of reported cases that was 149%. All of a sudden, that 1 million is closer to 3 million.
Through this innovation, survivors depending on their needs will be provided with counseling, legal and medical services via the telephone, and where physical contact is required, they will be referred to the relevant service providers.
In order to ensure sustainability of this initiative, responding to sexual and gender-based violence has now been integrated into the state's emergency response machinery. Similarly, GBV call handlers also operate from the command and control center, thereby leveraging on the emergency response apparatus of the state.
And I would like to urge the public, especially survivors of the SGBV crimes, to take advantage of the newly launched virtual referral system. The operators too must endeavor to handle the reported cases with utmost professionalism going forward. This is because stamping out the monstrous acts from the society requires our collective effort and responsibility.
The network also promises holistic support to survivors at no cost. They will also be encouraged to actively pursue justice on their road to healing. Kemi Foladiemo, TVC News, Lagos.